is Swapna ma'am.
And my name is Sushmita ma'am.
Today we are going to show you a story about unity is strength. Let's begin the story with a nice song. Put your puppets on your heart, on your heart. Put your puppets on your heart, on your heart. Put your puppet on your heart. What a lovely way to start. Put your puppets on your heart, on your heart. Put your puppet on your knee, on your knee. Put your puppet on your knee, on your knee. Put your puppet on your knee, you all will be filled with glee. Put your puppet on your knee, on your knee. Put your puppet on your toes, on your toes. Put your puppet on your toes, on your toes. Put your puppet on your toes, put your puppet to your nose. Put your puppet on your toes, on your toes. Put your puppet on your head, on your head. Put your puppet on your head, on your head. Put your puppet on your head. Put your puppet straight to bed. Put your puppet on your head, on your head. Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there happily lived a flock of birds. They used to peck some grains and fly across the sky together. एक चिड़िया अनेक चिड़िया चू 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 करती उड़ती चिड़िया. एक चिड़िया अनेक चिड़िया चू 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 करती उड़ती चिड़िया.
Then, one day, a hunter came to the forest and he saw the beautiful flock of the birds.
एक चिड़िया अनेक चिड़िया चू 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 करती उड़ती चिड़िया. एक चिड़िया अनेक चिड़िया बादलों को छूती सयानी चिड़िया.
Seeing the flock of birds, the hunter got an idea to catch the birds. So, he spread his net and scattered few grains on it in order to catch the birds.
Then what happened to the birds? एक चिड़िया अनेक चिड़िया दाना चुगने बैठी चिड़िया. Then one bird tried to eat some grains and the bird got trapped in the net. The bird got very scared and started for calling help. Help me, I got trapped in the net. After some time, few other birds came and tried to help this bird. But what happened? Do you know? Even they got trapped in the net.
They tried to come out of the net, but they were unable to do so. Suddenly, they all got an idea to take the net all together and fly in the sky.
हिम्मत से तो जुड़ जाए तो मिलजुल कर काम करे तो कोई काम मुश्किल ना हो. एक दो तीन चतुर चिड़िया सयानी चिड़िया साथ मिलकर जाल उठाकर उड़ गई चिड़िया फुर. They all flew high in the sky.
Far off in another forest, they had a rat friend called Mushak, who came and nibbled the net and freed all the birds out of it.
All the birds were free and they flew back to their forest happily. Now, let's end the story with a song. एक चिड़िया अनेक चिड़िया चू 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 करती उड़ती चिड़िया. एक चिड़िया अनेक चिड़िया बादलों को छूती सयानी चिड़िया. Thank you.
Thank you.